Hi everyone. Haven't done a video for a while. I hope you're doing well through all this COVID nonsense. It's made us a little quiet. In terms of doing videos, at least, we've been busy as a restoration shop and selling these wonderful cars. This just came in, a 1992 Bentley Continental R. Beautifully finished in British racing green with the tan hides, which I'm sure we'd all agree is the only interior combination with this gorgeous color. 50-odd thousand miles. Rolls-Royce service history. Not much to say other than to give you a bit of glamour on the video. Car is in absolutely excellent, superb condition. And so we'll let the video speak for itself, as it were. This car is available for sale now, $55,000. You can reach me at parkwardmotors.com.